What I'm making for the pumpkin mousse, this is going to be so fancy autumn dessert. First, you want to start with the gelatin mix. We're going to pour in a 4 cup of very cold water. I'm going to sprinkle 2 envelopes of Knox Unflavored Gelatin right on top of the water. We're just going to give this a stir. We're going to let this set the gelatin for 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, let's check the gelatin, how the set looks. I think this is almost just right amount here. I'm going to go ahead and pour a boiling water. That's about a half cup. We're just going to keep stirring that to dissolve. Oh, can you see that? You just want to melt the gelatin to get much dissolve. I can smell that it's unflavored gelatin. The boiling water melts it really fast. Here's the gelatin just already dissolved into the boiling water, just melt it in real quick. We're going to let them cool slightly. We're going to finish the rest. We're going to finish the rest of the ingredients. What I have here in a large bowl. I'm going to go ahead to put a 15-ounce can of 100% pure pumpkin with the brand name Libby's. I'm going to use for the baker corners. We're going to add the spice, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. I'm just stir real quick. Oh yeah, don't forget to pour the gelatin mix. We just give this a stir. I'm going to use it with a wire whisk. Once you stir that, you're going to set this aside and prepare for the cream. We're going to put it into the frozen metal bowl. I'm going to put 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I have about 1 pint. It is 1 pint, which makes 2 cups. I'm going to put 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. You want to over whip it on high until it's thickened. Here we go. Very nice and thickened. You can be able to see. I over whip. Now once the cream and sugar has been very thickened, we're just going to add it right into the pumpkin and gelatin mix. And just fold it in using with the rubber spatula. Alright, just fold it into the pumpkin mixture with the gelatin. We're just going to spoon this batter using with a large or small size of an ice cream scooper. I'm just going to spoon it about just halfway through into the dessert cup. I like to jiggle it to spread it evenly. That way we'll make it very easy one. And just move it around for the dessert cup. I'm just going to finish the rest. I have plenty of the batter. Alright, I just filled 12 of those dessert cups halfway through. I'm just going to move this around here. I'm going to cover it tightly with some plastic wrap. You want to refrigerate for 1 hour and the mousse is going to be almost set. I'll come back and I'll show you how it looks. Now once after 1 hour, I just already took it out from the fridge. Now what you want to do, we're going to remove some plastic wrap. Look at this, it's already set into this. Gelatin will help the mousse will stays in. I'm going to top it with some whipped cream or Cool Whip. Like I'm going to have just solid whip on top of the mousse. I just want to sprinkle more of the pumpkin pie spice right on top. And here is the finished pumpkin mousse. You're gonna be so delicious dessert at the autumn season almost coming right through. If you're interested for more recipes, let me know in the comments below. View always before sharing. Subscribe my channel. Click the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for everyone. As always, thank you very much for watching.